showcasing our oil filter paper. These can be purchased directly through our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, and will come in a pack of 100. These papers are used for efficiency and will collect contaminants and debris inside the oil filter system. Measurements for each paper will include 15 1/4 inches in length by 21 3/4 inches in depth. These papers are recommended and for usage for the oil filters that we sell through Cooler Depot. These papers will coincide with the oil filters that we sell through Cooler Depot, and these will fit the models that we carry through the company. Again, these oil filters papers will coincide with the oil filters that we sell, and these are recommended to collect any dirt, debris, and contaminants inside the oil filtration system. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.